Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which one is better, JBL Live 770NC versus JBL Live 660NC. Spec comparison. For active noise cancelling, they both support it. And for driver size, they have the same size which is 40mm. For their battery life, they both are up to 50 hours. On their fast charging, they have the same speed. And for the sound quality, they have the same JBL signature sound with bass boost or bass boost. For their Bluetooth version, they both have Bluetooth 5.0. On voice assistant, they also have the same Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa support. But on water resistance, 770NC only has a IPX4 splash proof, while the 660NC has a IPX5 water resistant. For the comfort, they have soft ear cushions for long listening sessions. On the weight, 770NC has 265 grams, while the 660NC has a 260 grams. Some of their key differences are water resistance. 770NC has an IPX4 rating, making it splash-proof, while the 660NC offers a high rating, which is IPX5, meaning it's more resistant to water, ideal for exercise or outdoor use. Second is the comfort and build. Both models feature soft ear cushions, but the JBL Live 770NC has a slightly more premium feel due to its design and finish. Third is their price. JBL Live 660NC is generally more affordable, making it a better choice for those on a budget while still offering great ANC performance. In conclusion, JBL Live 770NC is ideal for users looking for a premium experience with slightly better design but not much difference in sound or ANC. And for 660NC, it is more affordable option with nearly identical features, making it a better choice for those seeking great value. For me, the JBL Live 660NC is much better because it has a low price with a better water resistant rating. And that's basically it.